Hey there, gearheads. Jay Leno here, and let's talk about the future of driving electric vehicles. They're quiet, they're powerful, and they're taking the world by storm. But with all this electric excitement, there's one question everyone's asking. How do you charge these bad boys? Well, the answer isn't as simple as plugging into your wall socket, though sometimes it can be. We've got a whole range of EV charging stations out there, each with its own pros and cons. Think of it like choosing the right fuel for your classic car. You wouldn't put diesel in a 67 Mustang, right? We're going to break down the different types of EV charging stations, home charging, public charging and fast charging. We'll look at speed, cost and convenience to help you find the perfect charging solution for your electric ride. So buckle up and let's get charged up about EV charging. For a lot of EV owners, home charging is the name of the game. It's convenient, it's often the most affordable option, and you can charge up while you sleep. Think of it like having your own personal gas pump right in your garage.
Most home charging stations use level 2 charging, which is faster than plugging into a regular outlet or level 1. With level 2, you can typically add 20 to 30 miles of range per hour of charging. That's plenty for most daily commutes.
Of course, the cost of installing a home charging station can vary depending on your electrical setup and the type of charger you choose. But in the long run, you'll likely save money compared to public charging, especially if your electricity provider offers off-peak charging rates.
Plus, there's nothing quite like the convenience of waking up to a fully charged EV every morning.
Now, let's say you're on a road trip, or maybe you don't have a garage to charge at home. That's where public charging stations come in. You'll find them popping up everywhere these days. Shopping malls, grocery stores, parking garages, you name it.
Public charging stations offer a great way to top off your battery while you're out and about. They typically use level 2 charging, just like many home chargers. However, some public stations offer fast charging. More on that later.
The downside? Public charging can be more expensive than home charging, and you might have to pay for parking while you charge.
Plus, there's always the chance that all the charging stations will be taken when you need one. It's like trying to find a parking spot at the mall on a Saturday afternoon. Sometimes you just have to be patient.
All right, speed demons, this one's for you. Fast charging, also known as DC fast charging, is the quickest way to juice up your EV.
We're talking adding 60 to 80 miles of range in just 20 minutes. Now that's what I call fast. Fast chargers use high-powered direct current, or DC, to deliver a jolt of electricity to your battery. They're perfect for long road trips or if you're short on time.
However, all that speed comes at a price. Fast charging is typically the most expensive way to charge your EV.
Plus, not all EVs can handle the high power output of fast chargers. And even if your car can, it's best not to rely on fast charging all the time, as it can put extra stress on your battery and potentially shorten its lifespan. Think of it like revving your engine to the red line every time you drive. Fun for a short burst, but not great for the long haul.
Visit our website ev1.ma and subscribe to our channels.